You have this sleek new media hub sitting on your coffee table and the anticipation is building. Most of us have been burned by complicated tech before. We expect a mountain of manuals and a massive headache, but this setup is different. It is built for speed. It is designed to get you from the box to the big screen in minutes. Start by clearing a little space right under your television. You have the main unit, the power supply, the high-definition video cable, and your remote control. It is a simple kit with everything you need. Grab that video cable first. It is the most important link in the chain. Plug one end into the port on the back of the hub. Then find an open slot on your television for the other end. That is your physical connection. Now you need to give the system some juice. Take the power adapter and find a wall outlet. Once you plug it into the device, the whole thing starts to wake up. You will see the startup screen flicker to life almost immediately. If the screen stays dark, do not get frustrated. Your television is probably just looking at the wrong input. Use your television remote to cycle to the sources until you see the logo. Once the interface appears, you are already halfway there. Now we have to get this thing online. You can go the traditional route with a hardwired connection. Just snap an internet cable into the back for the most stable speeds possible. If you prefer the freedom of wireless, navigate over to the settings menu using your remote. You will see a list of available networks. Find your home network and type in your password. Once the connection is solid, the box is going to look for the latest software updates. This part is vital. It ensures everything runs without a hitch and stays secure. The device might reboot itself once or twice during this process. Do not flip the power switch or unplug anything while this is happening. Just let the machine think for a moment. When it comes back to life, you will be staring at the main dashboard. This is your new command center. You can see all your apps and live television options laid out right in front of you. Before you start a marathon session, take a quick peek at the display settings. You want to make sure the output resolution matches the capabilities of your screen so you get the sharpest picture possible. If your remote has those fancy voice features, take a moment to pair it now. It makes searching for movies so much easier when you can just say the title out loud. The whole process takes less time than making a bag of popcorn. You are now ready to explore a massive world of content without any of the usual tech stress. It is fast, it is smooth, and it is finally ready for you to enjoy. Everything is connected. The power is on. The internet is flowing. You have officially made it through the woods. Now you can just sit back and relax. This is how technology should feel. It is an open door to your favorite shows rather than a barricade of confusing steps. You did it. The hardware is set. The software is ready. Your new entertainment experience starts right now. Enjoy the show.